guys, thanks for being here with me today. Hope you're all well. Welcome to my art channel. So first colour is Pebeo Iridescent Precious Gold. This is another piece that I did last year that I found on my phone. Still haven't had a chance to paint. And this is TLP Deja Vu. Beautiful deep pinky purple. And my canvas is a 12" by 24", and this is TLP Honeycomb. Really shimmery colour. Absolutely beautiful with magentas. Magentas, violets, dioxazine purple, beautiful. Also beautiful with turquoises. It's like a rich gold without being too in your face. Really nice. And this is TLP Violet Rain. Beautiful, deep, luscious purple. I love all these colours together. And that is Brilliant Magenta by Atelier. Cell activator today is Pastel Mist by Atelier, which is the pale grey, mixed with, it's an Amsterdam pale pink, and I think it's Venetian rose. Possibly equal parts, I don't measure. And Australian Floetrol. Approximately 2 to 2.5 parts of Floetrol to the 1 part of paint. Wanted to try something a little bit different than white today. And that's just a palette knife that I've found, just a cheap palette knife. I just wanted a square edge to pull it out. Right, I'll let you carry on watching and I'll come back to you later.
All you want is my hunger, all you need is my pain. Nothing in between, never met you lost. When you were born there was thunder, fire lit in the sky as to lead astray. Now heavy rain pours out of you and me. Come back, rain. Come and ease this obsession. Full force this possess. Come and quiet this aggression. If we met in a year or two, would you set your eyes on me? Wear your heart on your sleeve, nothing in between. Well, come back, caress. Come and ease this obsession. Full force dispossess. Come and quiet this aggression. Some say
I am in love with these colours. How gorgeous are they together? Oh, so pretty. If you like it, please hit the like button and please share. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider it. It's free, and then you'll know when I put out a new video. And any questions, ask in the comments section below. And as always, everything is listed in my description box. All my paints, colours, where to get them from, etc. So thank you for being here with me. Appreciate you all. Thank you so much. And everybody take care. Stay safe. See you all soon. Thank you. Bye.